wood ash in your garden, we had some questions about changeably. And then we have this white stuff, and that's wood ash. The wood ash is like completely burned, but this charcoal is like it still has some like solid matter to it, and it's all biochar and the wood ash we're just going to sling on the garden. It's about 10 pounds per 100 square feet, but that's how we can remediate the soil and kind of negate any of the negative effects in this process.
Good. One, two, three, go.
Notice these wood chips that we took